guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a brand new unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing the number 101 of the Build and Decorate Your Dollhouse. But well guys, before we get into this, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. And guys, make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course guys, if you like this collection, if you like this unboxing, make sure to leave a like down below. And guys, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas Parchinaire. It's a Spanish speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff guys. I will have his links down in the description below. And well guys, with that being said, let's go ahead, let's get into this. Alright guys, so we have everything out of the initial plastic and now it's time to check out the magazine. Up at the top we have the title of the collection, Build and Decorate Your Dollhouse, of course in the Victorian style, and down below it says enjoy this elegant and spectacular home of your dreams. This guys is the number 101. If you would like to see the previous 100, all you have to do is check out the playlist located in the end cards in the end of this video. And of course guys, here we have the different rooms of the dollhouse, how it will look once we have it completed. And this collection is from editorial Salvat. And well, let's open this up. And here it says a studio, a very spring studio, or a spring-like studio. There you can see a very nice desk with little yellow flowers, with little yellow and pink flowers I should say. Looks very nice. You guys tell me, what are your favorite colors? Tell me it down in the comments below. Here it lists all of the different pieces to the room above. And here on the other side, it talks about picnic baskets. Here in Argentina, it's springtime, and I've been seeing on TV people going to the park to have picnics and things. What kind of spring activities do you guys do where you live? Tell me down in the comments below. And here guys, it walks you through how to prepare the chimney which we got. It walks you through step by step of how to do it. And guys, as I always say with this collection, once we finish these unboxings, or I should say all of the unboxings in this collection, I will walk you through how to do each one of these little projects, and we will build the dollhouse together. So guys, if you're interested in doing that with me, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button And guys, make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course, guys, if you like this collection, if you like this unboxing, make sure to leave a like down below. And guys, you tell me, are you pretty excited? Because soon we're going to be building the dollhouse. We only have a few numbers left. I'm pretty excited about it. Seeing all of the different pieces pile up, I can't wait to put them all together. I don't know. I'm pretty excited. You guys tell me what you guys think, but I'm pretty happy. And well, here we have the back, which just has the front of the dollhouse, how it will look once we have it completed. And guys, this collection is from editorial Salvat, as I said before. And well, that's the end of that, guys. Now it's time to check out the new additions to our dollhouse. So let's go ahead and let's do that now. Alright guys, so now it's time to check out our new, well, this will be part of the chimney, or this will be the chimney, I should say. But we'll just have to pop these out later and put the pieces together. I was watching a documentary the other day, and evidently during the Victorian age they had a real problem with fireplaces. It was a good technological advancement. However, it came with some challenges, and that was that very often the houses would catch on fire, so they had to make they had to make some changes, because originally they were made out of really anything, mud, wood even. Can you imagine using wood, just wood instead of brick to build a chimney for a house? Yeah, pretty dangerous. But well, at least we know that our Victorian dollhouse has no threat of being burned down. But well, that was a real challenge back then. And well, now it's time to see the other thing that we got, which is this metal hinge, which will be so that we'll be able to open our dollhouse. Let me just open this up and we can have a good look at it. I will show you the screws in just a minute. So it comes with 2 of them. That open just like that. These are metal, and then we just have these screws, which we'll use for the dollhouse to attach the hinges. And let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 screws in total. So we can attach these metal hinges to the house later. I'm just gonna put these screws back in the bag. We won't want to lose any of these.
see how delicately I can do it. Oh, okay. I was a bit worried they would spill, but no worries. Alright guys, you tell me, what do you guys think about our new additions to the dollhouse? Tell me down in the comments below. As always, I look forward to hearing from you guys.
And well guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, make sure to leave a like down below. And while you're moseying around down there, guys, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button and make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And also guys, down in the description below, I will have the links to all of my social media, so my Twitter, my Facebook, my Instagram, linked all down below. I look forward to seeing you guys on there. And of course guys, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas Parchinaire. It's a Spanish speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff guys. I will have his links down in the description below, and I will also have all of his social media as well. And more recently guys, in case you didn't know, he opened an Instagram, which will also be there. So guys, make sure to go on over and follow him on Instagram too. And well guys, I will see you next time. Have a great day. Bye bye.